Recipe secrets exposed. Discover how to make your favorite restaurant dishes at home. These secret recipes have finally been revealed. Make something different for dinner tonight. Get inside the hidden cookbooks of America's favorite restaurants including Red Lobster, Olive Garden, TGI Friday, P.F. Chang and many more. The secret recipes for your favorite restaurant dishes have now been revealed in this best-selling new cookbook. Prepare dishes you know they'll love and save money by easily making them at home. For the full list of secret recipes, go to MasterChef reveals the secret recipes for many of America's favorite dishes. Now you can impress your family and friends with these unique recipes. Be the first to have the recipes that everyone loves but nobody knows how to make, including *KFC original recipe chicken *Boston Market meatloaf *Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce *Olive Garden lasagna *Junior's NY Cheesecake as seen on TV and over 200 more famous secret recipes. Discover the ingredient combinations and spices that make these foods taste so good. Get instant access to these secret recipes right now. Please click the link below. https://bit.ly/2vftzvg